Hello, if you cannot find LDAC on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, what you have to do, let me just show you, as we go into the settings and we are paired with our device, and as we go into the settings of our device there is no LDAC codec available. What we have to do is we need to download ourselves the application dedicated for our headphones or earbuds, and in my case this would be the Sony application. So I downloaded already the Sony Music Center, and as we go into this app, right here, we need to go into the settings on the top right corner, and we need to find Music Center settings, something like this, and go for Bluetooth output settings and LDAC playback quality. And there is a possibility, by default I had this selected this priority on stable connection, and what you have to do is to select the priority on sound quality, and it might actually vary in different applications of different producers, but all you have to do is just download this application and change the connection type to the sound quality, and after this you'll have your LDAC enabled. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.